house is full of hundreds of TVs, consoles, lights, and other smart devices, all connected to the internet. This puts a lot of pressure on our home Wi-Fi system, especially when we are simultaneously streaming a lot of live TV and sports, wirelessly controlling lights, and playing online games. In the past, we would have to limit our usage. I could, for example, not stream myself playing games while Cam was filming videos in the basement with everything turned on, since the sheer amount of devices online at the same time would make the live stream unwatchable. About 4 months ago though, this improved. That is because we changed our router to the TP-Link BE77, which you can find a review for on our channel. Today we are back to upgrade our Wi-Fi again to the newer BE77 model this time. Thank you to TP-Link for sponsoring today's video and helping us improve our Wi-Fi. This is the TP-Link Deco BE77, also known as Deco 7 Pro BE17000. It's a tri-band whole home mesh Wi-Fi 7 system, and as mentioned, is TP-Link's newest flagship product. This is a great product if you use a lot of devices on your home network like we do, and if you have a larger space where one router might not reach the entire house. There's an option to get a 2-pack instead of 3, but we needed everything we could get to make sure our entire house is covered. The Deco BE77 uses a tri-band Wi-Fi 7 mesh technology, which is a lot faster than Wi-Fi 6. This makes it so you can reach 6 GHz with up to 320 MHz channels to give you really great speeds, up to 17 GB per second in fact. It also has 10G Ethernet ports, which give you easy access to boosted Wi-Fi 7 mesh throughput for any of your wired or wireless devices and would really future-proof your home internet. All of these features make it easier and quicker to, for example, stream 4K or even 8K content, as well as play games with less lag or latency, something that we definitely appreciate. We constantly download new games that require large file sizes, which now go by a lot faster. There is also the MLO feature when using Wi-Fi 7, which stands for Multi-Link Operation. This lets you have a better experience as a user since it allows the network to send and receive data at the same time across different bands and channels. We ended up getting really good internet speeds across our house after setting this up, which is exactly what we wanted to see. We placed one of the devices next to the main router in the basement with a wired connection to help improve the speed as much as possible, since the basement definitely uses the most bandwidth out of our entire house. This works as a great starting point of the mesh network and ensures the whole basement stays responsive and reliable no matter how many devices we connect to the network. We do still need Wi-Fi upstairs though, so one of the devices got placed in the living room, which is kind of the midway point of our house. You don't have to connect them to the router with wires for them to work. They also work wirelessly connecting to each other, so that is what we did here. Yeah, we might lose a small amount of internet speed, but we will take that over running Ethernet cables all over the house. The third device was placed in our home office, which would typically be a bit too far away from the main basement router and therefore would not get a great connection at all. Thankfully, this tri-band system fixes that issue and is a great backup whenever we aren't using a wired Ethernet connection for our PCs and consoles. The Deco BE77 uses AI-driven mesh networks to help expand the Wi-Fi coverage between the 3 devices by seamlessly changing things on the back end to enable you to get the best signal possible, depending on which router you're closest to. It enables you to get internet coverage across up to 200 devices and 8,500 square feet, which is more than plenty for most of us. We had some issues with this feature when using the previous Deco BE67, where it didn't quite automatically connect between the 3 devices depending on where you were in the house, so it would sometimes linger on the basement device when we had moved upstairs, which made us have to reconnect to the Wi-Fi for it to work properly. We have thankfully not had this issue with the new model, though we also went in and changed some of the router settings to really optimize everything. Installing the Deco BE77 is very simple too. All you need to do is connect it to a modem and power, download and launch the Deco app, and follow the simple configuration instructions in the app. It also comes with built-in home shield security for your peace of mind. It's thankfully really easy to swap your devices from the old router to this new Wi-Fi 7 one too. This is because all of your old connected devices will automatically transfer over to your new Wi-Fi 7 system as long as the SSID and password is the same. We were very happy when we noticed this since we have so many devices which would have taken a long time to move over. Overall, we think the Deco BE77 is a huge improvement over standard Wi-Fi routers and even better and faster than our previous model. Fast and stable internet connection is crucial for our work, but also our entertainment when we stream movies or play online games. We are really happy with this upgrade, so thank you again to TP-Link for helping us out and sponsoring this video. Make sure to check the description below for more info. And while you're down there, please consider liking this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. We focus on tech reviews and setup tours and tips, and have a lot of exciting new videos out soon. If short form content is more your speed, check us out on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok at CamXPetra for daily posts. Until next time, bye.